Want to know how to share your profile to others in Guru.com? So if you want to share your profile to your friends or anywhere outside of Guru.com, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. Just simply towards Guru.com, and here you should be able to log in as well. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So simply select that. And now once you click your profile here, you should be seeing something known as edit profile. It should be right below edit account. Just simply select that. And now once you have selected edit profile, here you should be seeing my profile popping up. Just scroll down a little bit, and here you should be seeing view public profile, and right below that you should be seeing share. Just simply select that. Now once you have selected share, you can share through various means. As you can see, something else popping up right here. So you can simply copy your link, share to Gmail, WhatsApp, Instagram, and much more according to your want. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can see right here, you can also share to your contacts as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of this Guru.com videos, which is available on our channel as well. Have a good day and see you in the next one.